This time we want to link our Instagram page to our Facebook, or link our Facebook to our Instagram page. The first thing you do is make sure you are on that fan page. So I am here on ASKASABEA. If you want to locate yours, just click on pages once you log into your account, and then look for the name of the fan page. Click on that, and that should bring you here. Now again, still in the left panel, look for settings and click on that. It should open up this page for you, and we scroll all the way down till you locate Instagram. So once you click on Instagram, this is where you can do your connection. So you scroll all the way down. It's currently connected, so if yours is not connected, you'd see it here, and you can disconnect and then you can reconnect, but I don't want to disconnect. Okay, so that's very simple. That is how you get to do that, and you're good to go. Thank you very much. Do ask, share, subscribe, and follow. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.